Experiments are an important part of studying natural science at school. Nowadays, along with traditional equipment for experiments, people are increasingly using more high-tech learning devices. The PROLog science learning system is one of them. You can use PROLog in class to enhance the quality of your experiments. It also helps save time by automating various stages of work. The PROLog Science Learning System is a hardware and software suite for collecting, processing and storing experiment data. The PROLog system consists of autonomous digital sensor modules. Each of them can register data and record and store variable values. Firstly, install the PROLog software on your computer. When you insert the PROLog installation disk, installation starts automatically. A number of dialog windows appear. In each window, click Next until the final window appears, where you click Finish. A shortcut icon will appear on your desktop. Now, connect a sensor module to your computer. Each sensor module has in and out USB ports to interlink with each other and to connect them to a computer or a graphic display module. Connect the USB bridge module to your computer. Then connect the temperature sensor to the USB bridge module. Start the PROLog program. Your screen will show the main icon bar with the following icons: Search for sensors, Online experiment, Offline experiment, Tools, and About. Click Search for sensors to identify a module. Then you will see a module box in the module window on the left-hand side of the screen. Now click Online Experiment to set the mode. An additional sub-icon bar will appear on your screen. Click the Experiment Setup icon. Set the experiment duration to 2 minutes and the sampling rate to 10 per second. Now you're ready for the online experiment mode. Hold the temperature sensor rod at the top, the part covered with black isolation wrap, and place it in a glass of cold water. Click the Run Experiment icon. A measurement chart of the cold water temperature will appear. When the reading stabilizes, you'll see the exact temperature of the cold water at the moment of reading. Then, without stopping the measurement, place the temperature sensor rod in a glass of hot water. When the reading stabilizes, you'll see the exact hot water temperature. Without stopping the measurement, take the rod out. When the reading stabilizes, you'll see the exact temperature of room air. To stop measuring the temperature, click the Stop Experiment icon. To see the whole chart on one screen, click the Zoom Fit icon. The PROLog system has options for experimenting without a computer in the offline experiment mode, with or without the graphic display module. Before an offline experiment without graphic display, you should set up the sensor module. Connect the temperature sensor through the USB bridge module to your computer's USB port. Click Search for sensors. When the module box appears, click the Offline Experiment icon. Then click the Module Setup button in the temperature sensor module box to set the parameters of your experiment. Set the experiment duration to 30 seconds and the sampling rate to 10 per second. Disconnect the temperature sensor from the USB bridge module. Now the sensor module is set up in offline experiment mode. Connect the temperature sensor to the battery module. To measure the air temperature, take the temperature sensor rod in one hand and with your free hand, push the blue button on the front of the temperature sensor. In 30 seconds, the indicator will go off. This means that the experiment is completed. Disconnect the temperature sensor from the battery module. Connect the temperature sensor to the USB bridge module. After the module is identified, click the Offline Experiment icon. Now click Load Data from Sensors. You will see a measurement chart of the air temperature. For an experiment with the graphic display module, connect it to the battery module. Connect the temperature sensor to the other side. Search for connected sensors should start. Then you will see a module box on the top left-hand side of the screen. The display has a touch screen that responds to fingertips or other items of similar size. The module displays the measurement processes and allows you to set up the modules for experiments without connecting them to a computer. Click the experiment setup icon. Set the experiment duration to 30 seconds and the sampling rate to 5 per second. Hold the temperature sensor rod by its top part and place it in a glass of cold water. Click the Run Experiment icon. You will see the measurement chart on the display. In 15 seconds, take the rod out of the cold water and place it in a glass of hot water. The display will demonstrate the change of temperatures detected by the sensor module. The offline experiment mode expands the capabilities of the modular experiment system. With the PROLog system, you can run most experiments quickly and efficiently. The PROLog science learning system isn't limited to the above-mentioned functions. For a full description of this system, see the user manual integrated in the software.